to fix device type or none on Instagram. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. If you are seeing device type or none on Instagram, usually under login activity or security settings, it means Instagram could not properly identify the device you are using, and here is how to fix it. First of all, open the Instagram app on a mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Once inside the Instagram app, tap on the profile picture of yours or profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now again, once on your profile section, simply tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the settings and privacy of the Instagram. Now once there, all you have to do is tap on the account center at the top. Then, once inside the account center, tap on the password and security. Once inside password and security, tap on the where you are logged in. Then here you'll get to see the list of phones you are logged into. You can simply tap on it and tap on the logout option available there. I have only been logged into only one device, so I cannot log out by using this method. And once you log out, you can log into that device again. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.